carbs for men are bad, or are they? And we'll look at what some of the research says and why not eating carbs might be hurting your performance. You don't need the gym to get in the best shape of your life. Not so fast. You might want to reconsider, according to a WebMD article from 2007. Uh, Australian study in the Journal of Clinical Nutrition found that carbs, especially high glycemic carbs, when consumed 4 hours before bedtime, hasten sleep so participants fell asleep faster. Carbs before bed might not be such a bad thing, but what about for training? I heard carbs are supposed to be good for that too. Yes, they help your glycogen levels. So let's get into that. So, if you don't have carbs before a hard training session, one of two things happens. Either you stop early and don't train for as long as you wanted, or you finish the workout but you still have some left in the tank. Don't push yourself as hard. One method of ensuring you have the sustained energy is to get low glycemic carbs in to maximize glycogen before your workout. So eat some for breakfast if you train in the afternoon and lunch and stuff. Then you'll have a sustained energy, and then afterward, what should you eat? According to the ISSA, you should eat fast-acting carbs to better replenish your muscle glycogen quick. If it's not, you could see muscle and cannibalism, which is breakdown of muscle tissue. In the 2014 study by Ornsbee and all, the performance of cyclists was measured and results concluded that consuming carbs 1 hour before exercise, there was a larger drop in the athlete's blood sugar, which led to impaired performance. So when I thought carbs were good before, yes, in the same study, carbohydrates were ingested 2 to 3 hours before the workout, and athletes were able to maintain glycogen stores, giving them enough sustained energy for the entire cycling bout. And for after the workout, though, two separate studies, one by Berardi 2006 and the other by Ornsbee in 2014 found that when simple carbs were consumed within an hour of exercise, there was a significant increase in muscle glycogen replenishment and decrease in recovery time. So what's the takeaway here? Carbs before bed may help you sleep, and before a workout, 2 or 3 hours, they also help. But it's simple carbs for before bed and help you sleep if they're far enough out, as well as complex carbs help before workout, and if they're far enough out, but what about after workout? So after workout, the quickest way to replenish glycogen stores is to eat fast-acting carbs. Think about the kid eating candy and going crazy. That's how fast it replenishes them. And then for complex carbs before born about, and you can check out all the articles down below in the description, as well as some wonderful supplements from companies the Mighty Miracle Man brand has partnered with, including Bike Enhanced Performance Nutrition, Sheer Strength Labs, and of course ASEA redox signaling supplement. Live longer, feel better, and life to your ears.